Most people believe wealth requires high income. They chase bigger paychecks, working tirelessly. But a hidden force shapes fortunes differently. It operates quietly, unseen by many. Some accumulate vast wealth, almost effortlessly. Others work harder, yet struggle for freedom. This disparity puzzles, then it frustrates. What if the common belief is fundamentally flawed? What if effort alone is not enough? There is a deeper mechanism at play. This is not about working harder. It is about understanding time. Time is the great multiplier. Or it can be a silent thief. Especially when building financial security. Many start their wealth journey later. Life happens. Priorities shift. Time passes. They believe they can simply catch up. They plan to save aggressively soon. This belief is a dangerous illusion. Starting late makes wealth much harder. It feels like running against a strong current. You exert immense effort. Yet progress seems agonizingly slow. This is not a moral judgment. It is a stark financial reality. A reality often hidden in plain sight. It revolves around a powerful principle. This principle is called compound growth. Imagine a small seed planted today. It grows slowly, year after year. Each new growth produces more growth. It accelerates over time, exponentially. This is how money works too. When money compounds, it earns returns. Then those returns earn more returns. The effect becomes truly astonishing. Consider two individuals, Alex and Ben. Both want a comfortable retirement. Alex starts saving at age 25. He saves just $300 every month. He invests it consistently, year after year. His money grows at an average 8%. Alex stopped saving new money at 35. He has contributed only $36. 000 total. His money then just keeps growing. It grows for another 30 years. Ben starts saving at age 35. He saves $300 every month too. He also earns 8% returns. Ben saves for 30 consecutive years. He contributes $108. 000 over time. More than triple Alex's contribution. Now, fast forward to age 65. What do their portfolios look like? Alex, who stopped at 35, has a fortune. His account could reach over $800. 000. Ben, who saved for 30 years straight. His account might reach around $450. 000. Alex put in less. Got much more. Ben put in more. Got far less. This outcome feels fundamentally unfair, but it reveals a crucial structure. The power lies in the early years. Time, not just contribution, is key. Early money has more time to compound. It is given the longest runway. Starting late also limits your choices. It impacts your tolerance for risk. Early on, you can afford more volatility. A market downturn has time to recover. You are investing for many decades. So, you can choose growth-oriented assets. These typically offer higher potential returns. When you start late, this changes. You have less time for recovery. Market drops feel much more impactful. You might lean towards safer investments. These usually offer lower growth potential. Less growth means slower accumulation. It becomes a self-reinforcing cycle. The opportunity cost of delay becomes massive. You miss out on compounding year after year. Each missed year costs more than the last. It is not just a missed payment. It is decades of lost potential earnings. Consider another perspective. The catch-up premium is very real. If you start late, you still want wealth. You must save significantly more monthly to reach Alex's $800. 000 goal. Ben would need to save a staggering amount. He would need to save over $900 monthly. This is 3 times Alex's original amount. Every single month for 30 years. This higher saving impacts current life. Less money for vacations, hobbies, daily joys. It creates a constant pressure. The pressure to earn more, save more. This feeling is exhausting for many. It feels like a relentless uphill battle. Because it often is. Why do so many people misunderstand this? They focus solely on current income. They believe more money fixes all problems. The salary they earn today feels tangible. The distant future feels abstract. Far away. The invisible power of time is overlooked. They might delay thinking about tomorrow. I will start saving next year. They say, once I get that promotion. They promise. But next year becomes the year after. Procrastination becomes a costly habit. They confuse earning with accumulating. Accumulation needs time's quiet work. It needs consistency, not just intensity. The financial mechanisms are not complicated, but their psychological implications run deep. The true cost of delay is not visible. It is the future freedom you lose. It is the choice you forfeit later. It is the stress you willingly invite. Recognize this hidden structure today. Understand time is your most valuable asset. It is a resource that cannot be replenished. Every passing moment is a lost opportunity. Do not let this truth paralyze you. Let it empower your next decision. It is never truly too late to start. But the cost of starting increases daily. The best time to plant a tree was decades ago. The second best time is right now. Even a small seed can become a forest, if given enough time to grow. Start small. Start imperfectly. But start. The compound effect will begin its work. It will work quietly, relentlessly, for you. This is not a race against others. It is a race against passing time. Claim your financial future now. Do not let the current steal your wealth. Harness the power of time. Make it work for you.